Hello everyone. Picture this. You're trying to track an order, but you are stuck on hold for 20 minutes. Or worse, you are chatting with a bot that doesn't get it. Is it sound familiar to you? I have been there, and so have countless business struggling with the customer support. It's a costly, slow, and sometimes very frustrating. But what if AI could change all that? Hi, my name is Shami Kapoor. I am passionate about the using AI to solve the real world problems. After dealing with one too many clunky support system and hearing the same complaints from friends and business, I decided to take an action. That's when I turned to build a smarter customer support agent. Today I'm going to show you how I did it step by step using Python and Jupyter Notebook. Let's before we dive into the code, let's break down the problem. Business needs support that's fast, accurate, and always available. But human agent are expensive and can't work all the day. You know that. The basic chatbots they choke on complex queries and can't check things like order status, product, or so on. Plus, sorting the customer's requests manually is a headache. Gemini AI solves all this, and I'll show you how. I built this agent in a Jupyter notebook. Link is in description. Let's walk through the key steps and how Gemini brings this chatbot to the life. First, and also you can find this blogs on this post available in the notebook. Okay, and here I have used three Gen AI capabilities like the few shot prompting, function calling, and a structure output. Okay, okay. So first, I have installed Google Generative AI libraries. Okay, and set up my API key securely. To test this agent, I created a mock function like a get order status and final product info to simulate the database. For example, like if I show here, yeah, see. So, for example, this get order status. Okay, this method will be for get order status. You will have this orders, and the product find product info. You have this products. Okay. Next, I have used a fusion prompting to give an agent a personality. I fed the Gemini example chat to make it sound familiar like a friendly gadget galaxy agent. So when users say, I need help with the so and so product, it will respond, what is the issue? I am here to help, something like that. It's like training a virtual employee to match your brand. Now the magic of the function calling. I defined a tool so the agent can grab the data on demand. So what is the status of order 1 2 3 4 5? Gemini calls the get order status and replies shipped via express post arriving on March 15 and so on. It works for the product questions. The third capability, okay, the JSON mode. Okay, let me show it to you. Yeah, here. Yeah, I wanted the agent to categorize the queries for easy processing. For example, if a customer says my Python Blaster X1 is buzzing, Gemini outputs JSON like a category, like return request, urgency is medium. This is the goal for routing the tickets to the tracking analytic without a manual work. To tie all together, I built an interactive loop. Uh, User can chat live with the agent asking about orders or product. It's combined a persona, function calling, and JSON output into one seamless experience.